meteorologist Michelle Muscatello with your Pinpoint Weather 12 forecast.
Well, good morning. We've had a bit of an icy start this morning. Our North Situate cameras kind of summed things up pretty well here. Those icicles hanging off of the camera. And if you look, you can see blue skies now, but also a fresh coating of snow in some of the parking lots and secondary roads. A little bit slippery and slow going this morning. In Newport, we also have a few breaks of sun starting to develop. We'll get more and more of that as morning goes on. A big change from yesterday when we were dealing with that freezing rain throughout the day. Coventry, Gloucester, Warwick, Richmond, all pretty impressive ice accumulation amounts, about 1/4 of an inch, and we saw similar amounts in Attleboro, North Kingstown, about 0.12 of an inch of ice. Then on top of that, we had some snow showers overnight. Those are still affecting parts of Plymouth County and the Cape, and they'll continue to push eastward as the clouds clear out. Those will as well. So our three key things: we've been walking and driving with a little extra caution this morning from those icy patches. We're also keeping an eye on the chance for another round of snow showers and possibly even some snow squalls late in the day today. Timing between 4 and 7 p.m. A lot of us are wrapping up the workday. It's a frigid finish to the week, Thursday into Friday, coldest air of the season too, and we've got brisk winds that'll add to that chilly feel. Here's the reason for the cold air. It's this Arctic front now pushing across the eastern Great Lakes. It'll be making its way further to the south and east throughout the daytime, and it'll bring back some very chilly air. So noon today, the temperatures under dry conditions are in the middle 30s, and we'll see similar afternoon highs too. So 2, 3 o'clock, still mid 30s. Then here we go, 4 o'clock in the afternoon. There's those snow squalls I was talking about. They're not going to be something widespread. Not everyone will see one, but those that do, you could briefly get some pretty intense snow showers, the kind that bring the visibility down well below a mile, gusty winds accompanying them, and it could give us a quick coating to 1/2 inch of snow in spots. Those will move out and the temperatures start to take that dive. So by 10 o'clock in the evening, upper teens and lower 20s here in southeastern New England, and they keep on dropping. We'll see some single digit and low teens for early tomorrow morning. This is at 7 a.m. In addition to the temperatures dropping, that cold air moving in, the winds are going to be kicking up. So between 6 o'clock this evening and 6 a.m. tomorrow morning, we have a wind advisory for the Cape and the islands. That's due to wind gusts as high as 45 miles per hour. They're not going to be as strong locally in Providence. Down to Newport will be gusting 30 to 35 miles per hour. Take a look at what it does to our wind chill. This is what it's going to feel like early tomorrow morning, below 0 wind chills. And we only improve to about 9 degrees for the feel like temperature at lunchtime tomorrow, and lower teens in the evening as the winds finally will be dying down later in the day. The 7-day forecast, below normal highs all the way at least into Saturday. Then the temperatures start to climb back up. In fact, already moderating by Friday afternoon, we'll be up around 30. Lighter winds Friday morning will at least make a little bit of a difference in the wind chill when you start your Friday, running between 0 and 5 above. On Saturday, 18 in the morning, mid 30s in the afternoon, and it does look like a storm-free weekend for us. A little extra cloudiness around by the end of the day on Saturday and Saturday night. We'll have some lighter snow showers up across northern New England over the weekend, but on Sunday for us, we're looking at low 40s with sunshine, and that 7-day forecast all the way out to Christmas Eve. It looks storm-free for us, clear and chilly on Christmas Eve night. Christmas Day also looking dry. We'll keep you updated.